Paramahamsa Nityananda, a compelling spiritual force of our millennium, founder of an international socio-spiritual movement, pioneer of a modern Vedic renaissance. Born in the sacred town of Tiruvannamalai, a yogi by birth, fearless spiritual explorer, beacon of divine power, Paramahamsa Nityananda is today an inspiration for millions on the path. Adept in ancient mystical yogic sciences, researcher of the science of spirituality, guru for enlightenment. Every year, Paramahamsa Nityananda shares with over 1 crore people worldwide the treasures of his wisdom, the joy of his laughter, and the incomparable power of his initiation. Now, Paramahamsa Nityananda speaks on living enlightenment, solutions for blissful living. Join us for an unforgettable spiritual experience.
Small story. A woman was letting her husband have it with just a touch of more venom than usual. She was shouting, "You are an idiot, you have always been an idiot, you will always be an idiot. If they had an idiot contest, you would come in second." The guy was shocked. He is asking, "Why would I come in second?" asked the husband. Wife replies, "Because you are an idiot." Do not bother about what people talk. People who go on passing opinion cannot achieve anything, cannot do anything. People who have a capacity to do does not waste their time in passing opinion. Akirtin chapi bhutani katayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranat adrichyate. Katayishyanti, that is a keyword. Bhagavan says, people will talk. If you are afraid of others' words, that is much worse than this fear. I tell you, greatest liberation in the life is liberation from others' words. Our scripture says, Yogasya pratamam dwaram vangnirodhaha. The first step for yoga is controlling the words. Always people have interpreted this, controlling your words. I give you the right understanding, the sacred secret in the sutra. The first step for yoga is not just controlling your words, controlling that others' words don't affect you. The uttered words does not penetrate you and disturb you. You not uttering word, you reducing your words, and others' words not affecting you. Both put together is Yogasya pratamam dwaram vangnirodhaha. Standing with your integrity, standing with your clarity is life.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.